temple. Wow. One else. It's so pretty, guys. Oh wow. Hello, guys. Welcome back to LiveMem TV. After exploring the White Temple, we are now visiting the Blue Temple here in Chiang Rai. Wat Rong Suea Ten, also known as the Blue Temple, is a temple in Chiang Rai, Thailand, known for its striking modern artistic design. The temple walls, roof, and surrounding statues are all covered in this gorgeous hue, an unusual decorative choice in a country where most temples are made of gold. This color is symbolically associated with purity, wisdom, and lack of materialism that Buddhists aspire to. The Blue Temple has no entrance fee and it is open from Monday to Sunday from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Visitors are requested to be dressed appropriately upon entering the temples. Dress code is casual, but shoulders and knees must be covered to visit sacred sites, temples, and pagodas. The temple is a fascinating fusion of traditional Buddhist values, classic Thai architecture, with extremely contemporary design choices. I recommend visiting Wat Rong Suea Ten if you're looking to add another attraction to your list of places to see in Chiang Rai. The mastermind behind this project was Sala Nok, the artist who created Wat Rong Khun, the White Temple, which is also located in Chiang Rai. The Blue Temple is a treat for anyone who wants to see a totally different dimension of Thai architecture and Thai Buddhism. Combine the tour with the visits to the White Temple and the Black House. It will be an unforgettable time in Chiang Rai. At the back of the temple, you will find a small staircase crowned by a standing Buddha. The Blue Temple in Chiang Rai is not only a tourist attraction, but also a place of meditation and prayer for a local community. Many people burn incense and candles in front of the entrance. Be sure to respect their practice and don't interfere too much with their rituals. And that's it for today's Thailand adventure. Until our next video, guys. Bye!